Hi everyone and welcome. I'm Toni with Feed Your Creativity. Today we're going to be going over my top 10-ish essentials for DC Pen Show. Let's get started. First up, hydrate, caffeinate, hydrate, eat snacks. That's the first thing. So there will be a Starbucks at DC, I'm told. That is what I'm promised. I also have my wonderful Raven Esterbrook water bottle that will be coming with me. I have this adorable tea wallet that will keep me also caffeinated if I can only get hot water. And I love this thing. Please sponsor me. This thing is adorable. And I even have a couple sugar packets if I can't find them, or if I really need a boost. Or I could just start mainlining sugar. I don't know. It might get to that. I'm sure by day 4 it might get to that. Also, pack some healthy snacks. You don't want to leave the floor because you're famished, or getting lightheaded or dizzy or pass out because you're too distracted by pens. Pack some snacks. Number 2, battery backup. I love this thing. It's an Amudo brand. It's wonderful. It is a 20,000 milliamp. It can charge your phone 4 or 5 times, I believe. It can even throw an iPad in there at least once. You don't want to be stuck to a wall. If you need to charge your phone or something, or your phone's draining, just have this with you and then you can just be portable. You also don't want anything to distract you from buying pens and accessories. I also love this thing because just in case of anything, it also has a flashlight built in, but also I tend to always carry a little mini flashlight with me just in case something's dimly lit, or you never know. And I love this small little portable one. One important use for the flashlight is if you need a little more light on a pen that you're looking at, especially those big, beautiful, shiny pens or something a little smaller, you can use the flashlight to appropriately light it. I got this idea from the Triangle Pen Show. I saw several people with small flashlights shining them on pens or even some of the bottles of ink that they couldn't really read or see, and I thought that is perfect. I am going to include that into my kit from now on. I also got used to bringing flashlights working in theater as well, so I tend to have a flashlight on me most of the times. Number 3, headphones. If you get overwhelmed, I hear Washington, D.C. is a little overwhelming for a super show. It is called a super show. Bring headphones, put them in, walk around, listen to heavy metal music, listen to Bach, take a break. The pens are overstimulating enough. Have music so you can kind of bring yourself down and keep calm and keep zen and focus on your list for what you want to get. Number 4, chances are there will be an ink table there and there will be mass quantities of ink to purchase. I am bringing a list of all my inks that I currently own, so I stay on target and know what I have and know what I don't have and have a list of what I'm looking for to stay on track. And also, I have a little tiny go bag for ink swatching, and I even have, I know some people might be flying, but I even have a couple vials in case you want to trade ink samples with people while you're there. I have some Q-tips, some paper towels, a little cup to put water in. I also have 2 different types of dip pens. I have the Pilot medium nib and then the Sailor Fude nib. The Fude nib's a little easier to travel with because the nib actually is protected a lot more. Just sits in there and snaps. But the Fude might not be 100% accurate to what it will actually look like if you're using a fine or extra fine. That's why I also bring the medium with me. And I also keep these nice little Robert Oster ink sample cards as well in my Lockbee. They fit pretty perfect to have those. Always handy. Speaking of Lockbee, number 5, I'm bringing my Lockbee cases with me. I love that I got different color Lockbees. I have this brown one, the black one, so I know exactly what I'm putting in there. And I have my dip pen kit, got my ink sampling Lockbee. I have my other Lockbee holding just everyday pens. And then I have my venture pouch, which is quite nice and packed and full with adorable little pen holder that will probably be used. And some different ink cartridges, some different pens, notebook, lots of pens. And I love all the little pockets in here. And I have bedazzled it with some of my own keychains I made. I also love the back here, how you can fit some fountain pens. Maybe all my new pens could be slid in there. And number 6, a loop. I love having this little thing. I got this last year at the Orlando Pen Show. And it comes in handy for checking nibs, making sure they look okay, but also especially for vintage pens that you might be looking at. I love this little thing. I wish it had a loop to wear around your neck, but it also is really nice for my glasses because it's hard to see. And it also comes with a little light, which I really love. But it comes with a case that is quite small and you can keep in a pocket or somewhere close by. Number 7, these little notebooks. I have this Rhodia one and Marmon one. These stay on me at all times. Most people may have paper for you to try with the pens, but it's always nice to have your own. Also, you can have a running catalog of everything you tried with you. You won't be second guessing where you tried something at. These will be handy before, during, and after a pen show, as you are surrounded by pen people, all carrying pens with them. Pens will come out. You will want to try them. You don't want to get caught without paper, and especially fountain pen friendly paper. Number 8, have a little go pack for yourself. I love this little thing. If you're into pain reliever, which I will probably be standing on my feet all day, so I'll be into it. Carry a little pain reliever. I even have some rice paper to freshen up my face. Gum, you're going to be talking, your mouth's going to get dry. Any little things you might need, I keep in here and I throw it in my bag. It has come in handy more than once. I love having a little go pack to have all my little essentials. Also, you're going to be getting a lot of business cards or just freebie like buttons, stickers. They'll be tiny. I hate losing them. I just bring an empty small little bag to throw them all in. It's nice at the end of the day or even the end of the weekend to have everything in one spot and not losing anything. I don't lose anything.
Never have.
Number 9, my lanyard with all of its flair. I love this thing. It's so nice. It's so pretty. It's nice to look at. I have all my wonderful fountain pen pins, and I have some new ones from Alum and Ink. That one and that one. I got some fun ones. Thank you from Yurushi Studio India from Miami. I have the right stuff on here. I got my pen and my my cat is covered up. That's not good. My cat from Right Stuff. I got my Black Pen Society, which I'm very excited to partake in DC and actually see an event run by Paul. I can't wait for that. So I am really looking forward to it. Also repping River City Pen Company. He will be there as well. Can't wait to see what he brings. He keeps doing sneak peeks on his Instagram with all of us going nuts, trying to see if we can get them before they go away. And number 10, small everyday carry bags. I love my fanny pack. Let's bring fanny packs back. And my bonsai one from Miami Pen Show will also be carried with me. But it's nice as you're running around the show floor to have a fanny pack on you. My little notebook will stay in here the whole time. And it's just nice to have something on you at all times. Also, this beauty of a bag will be holding all my pens. I have my koozie case filled with pens, notebooks in here as well. I'm gonna have all my pens usually in this bag. My bonsai will be carrying all of my pens throughout the weekend. Super excited to have that as a new addition to the pen show. I cannot wait And you can fit a ton of stuff in here. Doesn't look like it, but you can. And also have my fanny pack on me. Have business cards, be able to put business cards in there, or any buttons or stickers I might find, and have a notebook and a pen maybe even in here just in case. Thank you so much for watching my top 10 essentials. I hope to see you at DC. Also remember, just take care of yourself. Bring a jacket, wear comfortable shoes, maybe even stretch in the morning. You're going to be on your feet most of the day, if not all day. Plus there's after-hour parties, so plan accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.